Creating content for CODA has always been easy. You can upload or link to content created with PDF editors, with PowerPoint, with graphics editors, and so forth. But often you may just want to change a very small bit of information on a screen without going through all that uploading and linking process. And to help you do that, we've created a template editor. By far the easiest way to explain this is for me to show you how it works. So from the main CODA screen, you go to the Tools button up here, where you can see Template Editor Beta. This lets you know that this is not meant to be a finished product yet. It's there for you to experiment with. We'd love to get your feedback on it, but you shouldn't expect too much of it yet. Okay. When you go into the Template Editor, there are two different sections here, two different panes. One for templates, and one for slides, which you create based on those templates. We'll go into the templates one here, and I'm going to add a new template, which I need to give a name, so I'm going to call it Clinic Information. I'm imagining here that we're a hospital clinic and we need to convey some information to our patients, who are sitting in the waiting room perhaps. So we can start by picking a backdrop that's appropriate here. I like this one, which shows a doctor on it, feels suitably medical. And I'm going to add some fixed text here. We can add fixed text or editable text. The fixed text is part of the template and can't be changed by an ordinary user after it's been created, where the editable text is designed to be modified on a regular basis. So put in some fixed text, and sort of as you would expect, we can drag this around, we can resize it, and I'm going to say, "Welcome to the clinic," here as our heading. We can do things like change the color of the text, but actually I think I'm going to, well, maybe we'll make that a sort of dark blue here. Choose it. And you can change the size of the text as well. I'm going to make it large. There you go. So that's a bit of fixed text. Let's add some editable text, which I'm going to put down here. If you can, you may or may not be able to see on this screen, it does say editable text and fixed text very faintly there, so you can tell them apart. So here's the bit that an ordinary user may want to edit regularly, and I'm going to make that a sort of bright yellow perhaps. And we'll call this message. So now we've created a very simple template, which I'm going to save and exit from the editor here. And you can see that the template clinic information is there. Okay, let's create a slide now based on that template. I go into Slides, I click Add, and I pick a name, and this is going to be a message about Dr. Jones. And it's based on our one and only template. If you had several, you would be able to choose them here. Okay, submit. And there you can see our template over on the right, and here you have the option to edit the message. So I'm going to say, "We're sorry, Dr. Jones is currently running approximately 15 minutes behind schedule. We apologize for any inconvenience." Okay, and if I save that, then I now have that as one of my slides. And slides, not templates, but slides are standard CODA sources, and if we go back to the main menu here, we can see we now have the Dr. Jones slide here, which I can double click on if I need to edit it, and which I can assign to any screen in the normal way by dragging and dropping it, or put it into a playlist or a schedule as desired. So that makes it very easy for you to change the content of a particular bit of text without having to create it in some external program and upload it.